Good evening, everyone. Today we are here at Szechuan Hot Pot. This is actually Maddie's favorite hot pot restaurant, and today is her birthday, so here we are. We've actually been here quite a few times.
Go make our sauce.
Oh yeah, huh? All right, I'm gonna take you guys along with me to get our sauces. I'm gonna make mine a little on the spicy side. So what we got here? Fermented bean curd, some garlic, of course, some spicy chili, of course. Let's do some green onions. Let's see what else? Vinegar, a little bit of soy sauce, sesame oil. Can't go wrong with sriracha. Let's see what we got over here. We got house sauce. Ooh, sesame paste. Do this. I'm going crazy with the sauce today, so normally I keep it simple, but I think I'm gonna go crazy today. Let's do some hot oil and I think we're good. I think I'm good here. So this is what I have here. Stir it up. This is gonna be my dipping sauce. I'm gonna stir it up. Normally I don't put all this stuff. Alright guys, moment of truth. Okay. A little spicy and tangy. I think I need some MSG. They had MSG, huh?
I don't think they do.
Alright.
Mine's a little spicy.
Alright.
I like
That's fine.
sauce. Their house sauce is really good. This is
Yeah.
my favorite.
Put a little bit of the house sauce too. It's just missing MSG. I guess I'll take a break from MSG. Alright, we're gonna do a sauce check. This
Mine
is
thick.
Belize sauce.
I like a lot of cilantro, sesame seeds,
I need some fixing.
paste.
I need more soy sauce.
Well, go fix
Yeah.
it.
What do you want to do, baby?
Yeah. Let's see. What did you put in there?
I like a
Everything.
little bit of a lot of the house sauce and paste, and then cilantro. I love a lot of cilantro.
I know. I did mine. I didn't do so. I think I did a little bit of cilantro, but I did more green onions, and I put a little bit of everything. Kind of like, not everything, but almost everything. And Maddie here, on the other hand, looks like she just put chili oil and green onions and sesame seeds.
Oh, you got jalapenos.
Oh, jalapenos? Oh, okay. No onions, jalapenos. You said you're gonna go fix it? And then Faith likes the greens.
Yeah.
Yeah, Faith is not so saucy. You guys gonna go fix it or?
Why?
Okay. Well, that's our sauces.
Gotta make sure you make a good sauce because that's like the whole point of the hot pot.
Yeah.
All the broth,
Agree.
but the sauce is really important.
Yeah.
It's fun to eat, because you take your time and you eat together.
Yeah.
It's good for like a group eating style or a family style process.
Yeah.
You said, well, today you shared that.
You've got your shiitake and your Szechuan. Would you guys like me to rotate this some more?
This is good. This
Yeah,
is
that's
good.
fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, she really likes the spicy.
Here we go, guys. It's about to go down. Alright, so we got the noodles here. Let me show you guys the pot. So there's two sections. We got the mushroom, and then we got the Szechuan. It looks like it's
coriander. This one's like a, I don't know, like a clear broth. I mean, not a clear broth, but a more like simple.
yeah, subtle for those that don't like spice. And then here we have the meats. They slice it really nice and thin. And then we have our veggies here. And I think the girls are hungry, so let's dig in, guys. Should we dump in the noodles? Yeah. Ready for the noodles? All right. We'll do half and half. We'll do half in this broth, and we'll do half in the spicy broth. And then if you guys aren't full, then we can grab more noodles. But I think there's plenty of food on this table. What do you guys think, though? You guys think we could finish all this?
Yes, in the comment, and then
There you go.
you'll watch later to see.
Leave it in the comments. If you think we could tackle this. I think, I don't know. I'm pretty confident. Show you guys how I eat my steak. This one has a nice marbling, so I'm gonna go for this one first. Dip it in there for a few seconds. Go with the spicy broth. It's not that hot yet, so. And this is how I like my steak. Rare. I would say medium rare to rare. Let's try it out with the sauce. Just dip it in there. Soak up all the flavors. Oh, wow. Well, sauce is good. Oh, man. Oh, that's... my sauce is pretty spicy. And with that spicy broth, too, it's like double spice. Oh yeah. Let's go with this one right here. This one here is a brisket, thinly sliced brisket. Just throw it in there for like 2 seconds. And this is what it looks like after a few seconds. Let's go in for the brisket. This one should be a little chewier. The one I had before was pretty tender. But it's so thin that it shouldn't be too bad. All right. This right here, I believe this is the eye of ram. It's more leaner cut. Doesn't take long to cook at all. All you're doing is just dipping. Dip it in the hot broth and then dip it into your sauce. Let's try your sauce. Oh, this one cooks pretty fast. You put a lot of the sesame paste. I can see it. It is sweet. Some bok choy. some
Last time I was wearing a white shirt and the sleeves are flared.
shiitake mushrooms.
I was getting it dripped. Nah, bro.
Let's eat our veggies.
He's gonna
Yeah.
So you guys going to the same school next year?
I guess I did.
Did you apply?
Yeah, I got denied.
What? I thought your teacher told her to.
Yeah, she
Reply.
emailed me, but he said the board still has to apply.
Oh. That sucks.
I know somebody on board.
Maddie has one more year of school left.
I tried applying for the past 2 years. That's crazy.
Well, maybe you guys can go to the same college. Got a tough question for you. Szechuan hot pot or J pot? Oh, this place?
Yeah.
I agree.
I like self-serve places.
Szechuan is like, I mean, J pot is more like individual hot pots, huh?
Yeah.
It's like you pay for your own individual pot. This one's like family style. 17 should be a easy year, right? Got everything out the way. Got your license when you were 16.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe work? Is that one of your things to check off when you're 17? Not that you have to, but just, give you a, kind of gets you ready, right? For the real world. Thank you, thank you. My favorite mushroom right here. Getting kind of full though. The heck? Bro. I was pretty confident too. We could do it. I think we could do it. What do you guys think? Think we could do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get it then. All right, guys. So it looks like we almost did it. Well, the girls did mostly everything, huh? Well, they did most of it. I don't know why. I can't really eat much today. Maddie and Faith did a good job helping us tackle this. All right, guys. So it looks like we're done here. They brought us out some oranges and some guava candy. We're probably gonna wrap it up here and head out to Ampersand's and have us some ice cream because our mouths are numb right now from all this spice. Oh yeah, and the total damage was, it only came out to $88.33, but I did, my usual 20% tip. That's around what, 17.60, that's 17.65, 20% tip, so total came out to 105.95, which is not bad, right? Anywho, we're gonna wrap it up here and then we'll see you guys at Ampersand's. All right, guys, so we just pulled up here to Ampersand's ice cream and it looks like they're pretty busy here. The line is like way out the door, so I don't think the girls want to wait, so I guess we're gonna have to come up with a plan B. So yeah, I think we're gonna try somewhere else. So this is our plan B right here. Since Ampersand's was too long of a wait, we decided to come here. And there's really not a line here, but It looks like there's a lot of people in there though.
So, Sophie, you want the one
This is the one we got last time, the Jamocha almond fudge. It was really good. But I'm eyeing this one, the nutty coconut.
one behind the
I'll do the double scoop with the nutty coconut.
In a cup or a cone?
Cup.
Alright, so this is what we got. We did this last time, the Jamocha almond. And what'd you get, Faith?
very strawberry.
Berry strawberry. And then Maddie got the triple mango. She's in the bathroom, and her mommy ate some of hers while she was gone. And then the total came out to $16.57 for a double scoop and 2 single scoops. I'm probably gonna devour this ice cream and call it a night.
The coconut.
I know. This is very refreshing.
Like the other one we went to, it's like a little lighter on the sugar.
Ampersand?
Yeah. It's more creamier.
Locally made. Well, I guess that's it. I think we're just gonna knock out the rest of this ice cream and call it a day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's pretty much it for Maddie's birthday. This is how we party. We eat hot pot and finish the day off with some ice cream. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here. Well, thank you guys for watching and always supporting the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video.